Hey, we're looking at Ideal's step drill bit. It goes from 1/4 to 1 3/8 inch. It's a 3/8 inch shank. It's not a round shank. It is a it's got flat spots on it, so tons of power. All the power from your drill will go right into that bit. It won't spin in your chuck. It's got a 3/8 inch shank, double fluted design for balanced cuts and cooler operation. That actually is pretty cool. Do you see that? See that right there? Boom. That just lets you have a chance. Otherwise, you just build up and build up and build up. So, and then a self-starting point. I didn't need that today, but here was the problem. Our grill had a different sized igniter. The igniter was long gone. I have a zillion kids. I don't want to have a box of matches or anything out right now when they're this young. So a regular hole saw wouldn't have done it because I can't center it. And I need something that would step. So here we go. Whoop, that one grabbed right there. Okay, so a little bit grabby, as you can imagine from the fluted design. It works better with two hands. But then I got to get the universal igniter. Let's see if I can feed it up there. Hold on a second. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. That's brilliant. There we go. So now my universal igniter, that's supposed to be universal, but of course won't fit in my grill. It's the only way it would have gone on here is with a step drill bit. So, anyways, this is a great piece of equipment to have. Really essential for me and work that I do. And this is going to sound silly. One of my favorite parts is, do you see the squeeze in the case there? I actually leave mine in their cases, so they're not banging around in my toolbox. So when I'm done, I literally put them away like they're just packaged, just because I can. So here's that shank. Do you see the flat side right there? Boom. Anyways, it's just a rad piece of equipment. It's heavy, it feels good, and it works. So when I'm done, just put it in here, snap it in on the shank, and now even if that opens up, it's not going to bang around, it's not going to hit things, I'm not going to ding my bit. So I'll just keep it nice longer. You don't want to buy a $70 drill bit very often, right? This thing is rad. Thanks, Ideal. You've got us grilling without fiddling around trying to find a lighter anymore. So this will work, but I do need two hands. So sign off for now.